2 sons, and at my age, I should not be in school.
Yes. Yeah.
At my age, I shouldn't be in school.
Yes.
Because I'm looking for an opportunity to move my children.
Yes.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the van. Legacies.
Nigerians! It gives us no joy to stand here today. We stand here with mixed feeling of emptiness and sadness, yet feeling of solidarity for our brothers and our friends. The news is everywhere in the world. It is no news, but we say that any life that has been lost in Nigeria today is the responsibility of the government.
Yes.
When they die, it means the government has failed in their responsibility to do right by Nigerians. Yes. The basic duty of the government is to protect life and prosperity and the property of the people. Yes. Our government today has failed in that duty. Yes. But while they can, we urge them by this protest to quit killing our youth, to reform the Nigerian police, to review the salaries of all senators, to review all the salaries of all public servants, to increase funding for education, to reform the nation, to reform the police, and to give dignity to Nigeria and the flag of Nigeria. It is a shame that today our flag has been soaked in the blood of its own citizens. We are sad, we are ashamed, and we cannot contain our emotions. But we say to our brothers at home, please, since your blood is their water, stay at home. Do not come to the streets anymore if you cannot guarantee that you will live for tomorrow. But here we are, we shall protest for you. Yes. When you go in, we will come out for you. Yes. And because they have pointed their guns at you, here we have no guns pointed at us, even though we are in a foreign country. Yes. We will stand and say solidarity to our Nigerians. Yes. End Sars. Reform Nigeria. End corruption. End Sars. End police brutality. And God bless Nigeria.
My country, water run away my eye.
When I remember my country, water run away my eye.
When I remember my water run away my eye.
When I remember my country, water run away my eye.
Water run away my eye.
When I remember my country, water run away my eye.
Water run away my eyes.
Did you see my placard?
Yes, it's not black. Empty.
Make I show you the next one.
Yes, sir.
Empty.
Wait.
The important one.
The important one is coming.
Empty.
This is the one. Anything you can think of is written here.
Yes.
From police brutality to downsizing Sars to reform. Anything you want, write it. That is what we want.
Yes.
It's about time. I have 2 sons, and at my age, I should not be in school.
Yes.
At my age, I shouldn't be in school.
Yes.
Because I'm looking for an opportunity to move my children.
Yes.
The life we they live. In a country where there is money. There is money. We have money. With all their stealing, we still have money. Because if we don't have money, they will not be clamoring to be there.
Yes.
It's because we have money and we have resources. Is it human beings? Is it natural resources? We have it. Unfortunately, we have Indians as leaders. How long will we continue to let them ruin our lives? Me, I don't own. Hey, now, see now. End Sars. End what? Any name they like, end it. Anything. They should reform those senators.
Yes.
How can only 1% of people be cutting away money?
Stop cutting away our money.
They were hospitals,
our resources,
our education, all the things we don't have. We still come here, we make first class and second class because we are intelligent people. We come here, we work like slaves and still pass our papers and still go first class. People, it's about time something is done. End Sars!
It's too much. I will say enough is enough. We're gonna begin to just wake up and sleep as if nothing happens.
Yes. If
good people begin to keep quiet, then the battles begin to trend on.
Yes.
And we will say no to injustice.
Yes.
No to corruption.
Yes.
No to brutality.
Yes.
I thank God for coming today to come and soldier for us. We are wet. Yes. But we're doing it for a reason. Yes. We're doing it for generations yet unborn. Yes. Generations that are coming in the next 100 years. Yes. But this is not in vain. We have spread our voice, and I say, very good to us. Sunderland has spoken, and we have spoken very well. We have spoken right, and we must say today, we'll join our brothers and sisters back up in Nigeria to say that Nigeria must be reformed. We must have good leaders. Yes. 2023 is coming, let us join the party to show them that we youths have woken up. We're not more sleeping. Yeah. Enough is enough. God bless you all. Yeah.
One of their major strategies is to divide us.
Yes. They want to end Twitter.
We need to be united against these people. If we are going to defeat these people,
we
must be united. No, we're not tribal. We're not tribal, right? If we are going to defeat these people, we have to be united. Yes. They will try to use so many things against us. They've told us that social media is fake news. But then the news apparatus that they have in Nigeria is not fake news. They did not report any of the crisis. The president addressed the nation. He did not say anything about the shooting. If I would ask you a very honest question, if you have the Nigerian armed forces, before a battalion will move out of their barracks, the commander-in-chief of the armed forces must be aware of it. Am I correct? Yes! If the army moves out of a battalion without the knowledge of the commander-in-chief, is that not a coup happening? Absolutely a coup. So apparently, I mean, we are not children anymore. Yeah, they said children. We're not children, and we're not just the future of tomorrow. We're not the future of tomorrow anymore. We are the future of today. If we are the future of tomorrow, what will our children be? We are the future of today. Today is our time, and the only way we can succeed is by joining ourselves together. Let us use our education wisely. A lot of us, because with our intellect, we get divided on various views. What is wrong has no other name other than that it is wrong. Now, we are going to declare with one voice that we say an end to police brutality. That is the starting point, but that's not where it ends. They want to narrow it to just reforming the police. That's not all we want. We are saying an end to fat salaries for senators and House of Representatives. We are saying an end. I'm sorry, it's okay, seriously now. I'm saying that an end to incompetent leadership. Yes. 2023 is coming. We are always presented with the devil and the deep blue sea. See, it's high time we make a decision not to vote for anyone. As long as they are not credible, we'll say no to them. We don't know who they're already preparing who's coming for 2023. It's going to be one of them again. We are going to say no to any irresponsible leadership. End Sars! End Sars! End Sars! End Sars! Let us join together, Nigerians. We are one. We are not divided by tribe or anything. End Sars! Thank you very much.
Nigerians follow me to serve our father's land with love and strength and faith. The labor of our heroes past shall never be in vain. To serve with us and might, one nation bound in freedom,
peace and unity.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Please, there is water if you want water to drink.
One last thing, please, guys.